Hey, I am opening an uninspected return box filled with toys. I bought this in a set of 3. As you can see, I've already opened the other 2. So if you haven't seen the other 2 bulk unboxings, go ahead and check those out. I'll try to tag one of them at the end of this video. And I'm going to find out what's in here and if we can make money on stuff. All right, so the specs on this box is, the title is Toys and Games, Baby Essentials, Dolls and Stuffed Animals, Pressman Toy, Lego, Cards Against Humanity. Original retail is $586. It was listed as $96, but then with all of the taxes and fees, I'm going to be at about $3.84 per item, and I took into consideration these other 2 boxes that I bought with all of the total. So it was a total of 100 items, but this box has 48 of them. So I'm really excited. I've been doing really good on toys with uninspected return condition, because uninspected just simply means exactly that. It's uninspected. So a lot of times I've been getting toys that are brand new. So we're going to break into this box, see what we got, and see what is it that is going to make us some money if I don't try to chop off my own hand. All right, so we've got some good stuff here. I already see a lot of stuff still in box. Snowball Shooter. It looks like you create it on this end and then you fling it out that end. I've got a garden tool set. Perfect timing for the year for that. All right, uninspected returns. Occasionally this happens. So this is a Nerf kind of refiller. This obviously is not brand new. It's totally broken open. But this is something that if I wanted to do a large lot on eBay, sometimes a junk drawer lot, some of these Nerf bullets will sell. So that's definitely not a good resellable item, but I may be able to use the pieces. Here's one. Looks like it's brand new. Doesn't look like it's missing anything. Comes with a little watch. So it's a Happy Helper van, and it's Disney Minnie Mouse. So that's actually a really nice piece. We've got some spy gear. This one has not been opened. It's a walkie-talkie. And so I think that'll be a good sell. All right. Minecraft. Totally sealed. Checking all the tape. It looks like the original tape. So this is a Minecraft set. It's got some of the skeletons and a Minecraft guy, a fish, a bunch of stuff. So Lego sells, and so does Minecraft. So this is a really, really good find. Like I said, $3.84 a piece out of each item, and they're going to be good sellers. This is Boggle. This is just the base for a Boggle game. So where you put the little letter dice, so if your base broke, you can buy just the base. Looks like it pops right out, so I'm not sure. We'll have to check the barcode and see, is there supposed to be more in this, and is it supposed to be wrapped? It looked like there used to be a plastic thing over the top of that, so that's probably not resellable. Alrighty, that's awesome. It's basically like a wrestling belt, a WWE or WWF NXT championship belt. So it's a kid's, and it says that you can collect all the figurines that go with it, but it's actually a Velcro on wrestling belt. That's cute. That's definitely brand new and good condition. We got some Tonka trucks. It's got a grader, a steamroller, and a construction dozer. Box is in rough condition though. I definitely can't sell this on Amazon, but I could sell it on eBay. And probably just take all the stuff out and sell it as a separate lot, either in a junk drawer lot or a toy lot. But because of the shape condition of the box, I can't do that. Here is a pan, a really decorative, look like used to be nice metal tray, but it's warped and banged up, and I'll probably just use it to store random stuff or throw it away. So you kind of get all over the map. Here is a Barbie African-American male doll. So I am ungated in Barbie. A lot of people are not. And so I find that Barbie sells good for me simply because I don't have as much competition. Here is a Star Wars Darth Maul and Qui-Gon Jinn. So it's got some accessories. This is definitely brand new. It's going to sell really good. Boxes in good condition. Oh, I remember these games. Let's Go Fishing. Now the box is all chewed up, but I may be able to sell just the game if I take it out of the box and rebox it in something else. I will not sell this on Amazon. I will probably sell this on eBay, or, you know, do something else with it. But so you get kind of all over the map. You get stuff that's brand new, but like I said, it's been really, really inexpensive. This is brand new. It's an infant toy. It looks like it's a bath toy because it's squishy and rubbery. It's still got the tags on it and everything. It's a really cute sheep in a little roller car. So that looks like a bathtub toy. We've got a Minions collector's tin. Exclusive robot, stores over 40 minis. So it's a collector tin for the little minis that you can get for Minions. Here is Pillow Fort fish shower curtain. I actually just sent some of these in another bulk box. I sent them into the Amazon warehouse, and they're going to sell pretty well for me. The biggest thing with these is trying to find them on the Amazon website. If not, they will go on Posh or eBay really well. Here's another Barbie. Box is all chewed up, so she'll definitely be an eBay lot, or it'll be something that my girls inherit because it's brand new, but the box is not in sellable condition. All right, here is an American Girl Lego minifigure. So that's, it's a Mega Bloks. It's not a Lego, sorry. It's a Mega Bloks. So that's in good condition too. American Girl stuff sells. Cards Against Humanity party game. Looks like it's brand new. Yep, brand new. All the cards are there. So that'll probably be something that I can for sure sell. A party game for horrible people. I've heard about the game, but I've never played it myself. All right. Here is a bouncy ball with Paw Patrol on it. It's got the barcode. Here is Egg-mazing. So this is basically post-Easter kind of sale stuff. So this is how you can create fun designs on an egg. So this may be something that even though it's past Easter, preschools will use it, summer camps will use it, things like that. And so it can still sell. I'll look it up, see if I can get it to sell. Okay, this is supposed to be a super loom crazy with all those rubber bands, but it's broken open and everything is falling out of it. So this is definitely not a resellable. So I don't know if it was open when they first put it in, but all the rubber bands are in here. Here is a Five Nights at Freddy's figurine. That is the creepiest little show. I've never watched it, but the characters look terrifying. Here is a Pokemon Sun Moon pack. I'm going to have to hide this from my son because he's obsessed with Pokemon. Definitely not in sellable condition. Box is tore up, but I may be able to. There are specific Pokemon cards you can actually pull out, and you can sell one card at a time for a really high price if it's a specific kind. So I usually use the expert of my 13-year-old son to figure that out. All right, here's Mancala. Box has definitely been opened and retaped, so I'll have to open it up and see what kind of condition it is, and it may go in an eBay junk drawer lot. All right, Patriots foam ball. That's actually in good condition. It's got the barcode on it. Nothing wrong with that one. So like I said, you kind of get all over the map. This is a Bunchums. These are those little plastic things that you put together and you can create a figurine. They're little plastic, kind of like Legos, but they're called Bunchums. So that looks like it's in good condition. All right. We've got a Hatchimal keychain. These were all the rage about 2 years ago. Around Christmas, everybody wanted a Hatchimal. So there may be some kids that still are out there that want one of those. Here's a really neat Fresh Start puzzle pieces, but it's missing some of the puzzle pieces. So that's obviously not resellable unless I can find all the puzzle pieces, which might be in this box, might not be. Keychain. This is a DC Comics Aquaman keychain. Good condition. So this one is brand new. So you kind of get, you know, good and then not so good. But here's another DC Comics. That's Wonder Woman. Another Aquaman. I think there's one more in here. Here's another Aquaman. So these are all in good condition. And those actually sell fairly well on Amazon. Okay, here is a Nintendo character. Animal something. I'm not sure. You guys can tell me what it is. A Milbo. It looks like it goes with a Nintendo 3DS. some sort of you can add that character to your DS game. Here is another character, a Marvel Sandman character. This one's been open, but if I take the figurine out of the box, I may be able to sell it on eBay. All right, here is a Chippendale Rescue Rangers figurine. Now, it's been opened. I obviously can't sell it like this, but if you were a kid in my generation, you watch this cartoon all the time. So this is kind of an old school, and it must be coming back, but anything Disney usually sells. All right, here's another one of those characters for the Nintendo 3DS. Here's some Tsum Tsums. Those are brand new. So both of these are good sellable condition. Some Disney Tsum Tsums, it looks like. All right. Here is a Paw Patrol Thermos, and it's brand new. These sell really good for little kids who, you know, go into daycare, they're toddlers, in the car. Unspillable. Here is I don't know who this guy is. This is an emoji from the Emoji Movie. So one of the emoji keychains from the Emoji Movie. That's in good sellable condition. A random deflated Franklin basketball. So we'll have to see if that holds air. Here is a Pickin Pop Surprise. So I don't know if it's like a push pop or what. I'll have to look it up with the barcode. Here's something brand new. Fisher-Price World's Smallest. Okay, when you were a kid, let's zoom real close into this. Do you remember playing with those little tiny phones? So this would be perfect for a collector, someone my age, because then they can collect, hey, I used to have a little toy phone like this when I was a kid. I just think it's really cute. Yes, it actually works. So it looks like you can dial it and it actually works. That's really fun. I think that's cute. All right, stamp collection of various different carrot and rabbit, it looks like Easter themed flowers, things like that, of stamps. Let's see what else is in here. Starry lights, LED lights of toucans, or these are flamingos. So this is probably not workable. I'll test it out and see if it does work. If it does work, I'll put it in the eBay lot. If not, it'll go in the trash. So I've got all these rubber bands from that rubber band set that are still left in the bottom of this. Here is some goo. It says on here that it was defective, so I don't know. Putty, Easter putty. So I'll check it out. Slime is all the rage these days with kids. I don't know what the obsession with slime is lately. But everything else that's left in here, here's a piece to that puzzle, is basically all... Oh, one more thing, hold on. Here is a Ninjago. Looks like keychain, backpack kind of keychain. It's from the Ninjago movie, and so that's kind of cool. That's in good condition. But the only thing that's left in this box is the stuff to make those rubber band for the Super Crazy Loom. And so I'm not going to go through and pick up all those little rubber bands while we're on camera. So you get kind of, when you get uninspected returns, there's a lot of stuff that I for sure, like I said, I only spent $96 on this box. I for sure can probably make my money back for with the new items in here, and then everything else is just gravy on top of that. So you may look at it and go, that's a pile of junk, but just look it up. I mean, you'd be surprised how much these DC Comics keychain things are going for. People are like, I wouldn't pay that. Well, a lot of times they like the convenience of just being able to throw it in their cart and get it shipped to them rather than having to go to the store and hunt for it. So that's basically what you're providing when you're selling stuff on Amazon and Poshmark and stuff, the convenience of having it show up right at your door. So I hope this has been helpful. Uninspected returns, bulk.com, a toys lot, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below.
Hey,
thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.